Hi, what's up everyone, and welcome to UltFone. Today Bumble has become a blessing for many of us, especially for those who are too particular about perfect dating partners and compatibility. Since this approach is quite convenient and allows us to be selective, Bumble helps you to get matches within 20 miles of your current location. You may now wonder if you can fake location on Bumble and get more matches. Well, that's what today's video is about, so let's begin. If you wish to get more matches from the places you haven't been to, you certainly need to switch to UltFone iOS Location Changer. This tool is specifically designed for iOS users to easily spoof your location and make any location-based app believe your fake location as real, and eventually helps you to fetch more profiles from your desired place. So, let's get started. Begin with downloading and launching the UltFone iOS Location Changer program on your PC. Please check the disclaimer and then hit on Enter to proceed. Now get your iPhone connected to your computer using your Apple device cable. Then make sure to unlock your iPhone and trust the PC. You will be redirected on the map screen where you can search the location or GPS coordinates you wish to teleport to. Next, check the location information on the left panel, and once you're satisfied, click on Start to modify. That's it. You can now open Bumble app on your iPhone and can explore more new profiles from your new virtual location. You can also use an official way to change Bumble location. For this, simply open Bumble and tap Contact and FAQ followed by Contact Us. Head to Report a technical issue and then explain the issue properly. However, this will change your location to another permanently and there's no going back then. So that's all with today's video. Dating app is real fun, and when spoofed with UltFone with just a few clicks, that too without any jailbreak, it becomes even more exciting. What do you think? If you find this video helpful, do like and comment below. Also, if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.